Welcome back to AI Path. In this video, we're going to install OpenClaw on your computer step by step. By the end, you'll have a working AI assistant connected to your messaging app. Let's get started. Before we start, let's check the system requirements. You'll need a computer running Windows 10 or later, macOS, or Linux. You'll need Node.js version 18 or higher, and Python 3.10 or higher. You'll also need an API key from OpenAI, Anthropic, or another AI provider. If you want to use a local model instead, you'll need Ollama installed. Don't worry, we'll walk through each step. Step 1. Clone the OpenClaw repository from GitHub. Open your terminal and type git clone followed by the GitHub URL. Then change into the OpenClaw directory. Step 2. Install the dependencies. Run npm install to get the node packages, then pip install -r requirements.txt for the Python dependencies. This usually takes a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Configure your AI model. OpenClaw supports multiple AI providers. Copy the example environment file and open it in your editor. If you're using OpenAI, paste your API key next to OpenAI_API_key. If you prefer Anthropic's Claude, use Anthropic_API_key instead. For a completely free option, install Ollama and set the model to a local one like Llama. Most people start with OpenAI since it's the easiest to set up. Step 4. Start OpenClaw and send your first message. Run the start command and you should see OpenClaw boot up successfully. Now open a browser and go to localhost 3000. You'll see the OpenClaw web interface. Type, "Hello, what can you do?" and hit enter. If you get a response listing its capabilities, congratulations, OpenClaw is working. Step 5. Connect OpenClaw to Telegram. This is where it gets really useful. First, open Telegram and search for botfather. Send the command /newbot and follow the prompts to create a new bot. Botfather will give you a bot token. Copy that token. Back in your .env file, paste the token next to telegram_bot_token. Restart OpenClaw, and now you can chat with your AI assistant directly from Telegram on your phone. The same process works for WhatsApp and Discord, just with different setup steps. And that's it. You now have OpenClaw running on your machine, connected to an AI model and ready to chat through Telegram. In the next video, we'll explore 5 practical things OpenClaw can do for you right out of the box. See you there.